So this is a Nayadic with the top lid and top cover pulled off. You got the lid stored over here on the side. Excavated all the way around this to do some repair work on what's called the Scum baffle from Nayadic. It is riveted. This is the Scum baffle. It goes all the way around the inside diameter of the tank, and it protects what's leaving the septic tank. This is the outlet sewer line there. That goes out to the soil treatment area. But we re-riveted. There's new rivets there, and then new rivets along there holding this in. The repairs are made. And, you can see the aeration pattern there. The tank's not quite full or in operating state. It was just cleaned out last week. But everything looks good. And we're going to make some final repairs down there to the inspection reports. All wrapping up. So we got the lid back on. We're going to backfill around this and get it protected. Probably throw a little bit of paint on there just to protect that fiberglass. So you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 inspection ports in the trenches now. They are painted green with a little bit of orange on top just for identification. There's also one monitoring pipe down there that's beyond the soil treatment area. And that's to inspect for any wastewaters in that area. So we're all backfilled and raked out. We did paint the top of the Nayadic unit with some protective coating just to protect it from the UV rays. And then soil treatment area down there.